Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card into your Motorola Z4, as you can see right here, the newest phone. So we'll be doing SD card also. So on the top, there's a little hole right here. As you can see, that's a SIM tray. So click in there and it will pop out. And now remove it. And then you can see which port is for SIM and SD card, and it shows which way it's supposed to be in. So SD card has to be this way, and the memory card like this. Have to inside make sure it's setting pretty good. Doesn't go in very easily. So once it's setting pretty good, this one popped out. Now this one pops out. Okay, so just hold them, slide them both in, and slide it in both ways. That's how easy it is. Not so easy. Okay, and now you pop it out and remove it. First you have to do SD card, and then now you can pop it out, this one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.